This is further expression of this concept of false ego, ahankar. Falsely identifying oneself as the material body and accepting bodily expansions such as children and grandchildren to be one's eternal property. By doing that, one completely forgets that every living being is qualitatively one with God. Quality means the substances, the spiritual substances of Sat, eternality, Chit, consciousness or awareness, and Anand. Satchit Anand means the ability to experience unlimited ecstatic love and the ability to express unlimited ecstatic love. This is Anand, this prem aspect of the jiva. There is no essential difference between one individual being and another, since all are eternal expansions of the Supreme Lord. However, the mind absorbed in false ego creates the material body. And by identification with that particular body, the soul becomes conditioned and becomes overwhelmed by false pride and ignorance. Persons who identify with this body, which is simply a product of the material mind, are blinded in their intelligence, thinking in terms of I and mine. Because of their illusion of this and this is I, but that is someone else's, they wander in endless darkness. There's a whole discussion. This is the song of the Avanti Brahmin, which is called the Bhikshu Gita. And he's describing, a very interesting, 11th canto, chapter 23, he's describing what is the cause of suffering. Is it me? Is it you? Is it the environment? Is it the stars? Oh, it's my planet. It's Shani. And or it's Shani or it's Rahu. And I need this ring, I need a Neelam, I need a sapphire, it's Chandra, I need a Moti. Chandra's affecting my mind, I need a pearl. And then he comes to the conclusion that it's simply my attachment to this material world and this body that's causing all my suffering.